In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent the skip slides from being printed in your Google Slides document. And this is very useful to make sure that the skip slides or the part of the document that is deemed to be unnecessary won't be printed in your physical paper. Let's say I want to disable this slide, I want to skip it. So right click on it and click skip slide. And if you want to see the print preview, just go to file and go to print preview right here. Now this will need a few seconds to load and you will see the print preview of the document, but you might have noticed that the slide number 3, which is the slide that I skipped, still here. The reason is because this setting by default will include the skip slide, so you have to undo this. Just click on the button and it will refresh the page and it will display a new version without the skip slide. So you'll see that slide number 3 is missing. Now it is just slide number 4, and after that you can print the document, and that particular slide, the slide that you skipped, won't be printed in your document. So that's how you can do it. I hope this video helps you.